be showing you guys how to screen print your own t-shirt and show you the entire.
Alright guys, so I just finished watching the video and I've watched like a bunch of videos over the past few days. Also it's been like a couple days since I was showing you guys everything I got. Alrighty guys, so finally everything that I need to start screen printing is in now. Most of it came in yesterday. Most of the stuff I ordered from Amazon, except the shirts. Everything I ordered from Amazon except the shirts. I'm gonna give y'all a little cheeky little haul. It was all about $200 total, so a little bit of an investment.
I can't eat.
A little bit of an
I'm
investment.
broke, nigga. I'm broke.
First is this thing. This came in today. This was the last thing to come in. Alright, so this is the like LED light to like basically to burn the screens, you know. Then we got the transparent screens for the stencils. Got this heat gun to dry the ink, you know. Hey, I did my research, okay? I did my research, I must say. And we got the like scooper to put the emulsion on the screen. This mug was like $40. Bro, can this kid stop texting me? Next we got emulsion remover to take it off. The squeegees, of course, to put the ink over. We got the paint, or the ink, I mean. I got the speedball one. I almost forgot to show y'all the most important thing. I forgot it was in, but the screen. So this is a 6-pack and I'm pretty sure it's 110 mesh, which I was trying to look for like a higher mesh because it's for like better designs, but I literally couldn't no, I found some, but they're like so expensive. Like it was like $60 for one frame, like tripping. Like, alright guys, so I just looked up how to make a stencil on Procreate because that's what I use already. It's Procreate to design stuff, and I'm not gonna use any I might use one original design, I'll show you, but for the most part, just to like learn and stuff and see how it goes, I want to use like just designs off the internet. So but now I'm ready because I had to redo like the designs and stuff. So this is actually what I came up with. Decided to go with the brand I want to make anyways, which is Gotta. So yeah, it, you know, spreads the message that I want to spread, and also I feel like it represents the clothes that I want to make. So yeah, good little guinea pig type of design. So yeah, and I'm ready to get started. So obviously the lighting's not that good because the emulsion's actually light sensitive. So like in the video it said to wash the screen, but I'm not gonna lie, I'm skipping that step. So hopefully that doesn't make that big of a difference, right guys? We got this. We're not gonna mess this up, right? Alright, so you just put the emulsion on the screen, right? Easy, right? I know my room's not clean, so don't even speak on it. So I'm gonna pour some in here, right? And then I'm gonna, you know, do what it do. I'm scared, bro. Alright, I'm gonna just pour some in like this. Oh shoot. Oh yeah. Okay. Okay. I think that's good, right? Okay, now I'm gonna just, so it said put it on, right? Tilt it back and then let it fall. I think that's good. Okay, now for right here, tilt it back. Honestly, I think that's not bad, but there's like right here. Y'all see like in the middle how it's like more because it's overlapped. I'm gonna try to like scrape some. Scrape some of it off. Tilt it back. Let it fall. Scoop. Low key. I think I'm cooking.
Bruh.
Except, like, it's a little uneven, but, like.
Bruh.
This is the setup. Got the fan right here, blowing on it. I'll probably wait, like, 40 minutes or something, and then I'll check and see if it's dry, so, yeah. It's been like 20 minutes. Feeling both of them. I feel like they're both probably dry, so let's move on to the next step, which is actually putting, like, burning the screen, basically. So, yeah. Boom. Boom. That's good, right? This light, it's actually so bright. Wait, look. These are like, these have like blue light, the blue light thing in them. Look. Close my
3 more millions when you ask how my day
eyes.
goes.
It makes my
Pour
whole
up a
glass
4.
blue.
Now that's
Okay, it's actually
blueberry
so bright,
Faygo.
bro. This is a setup, bro. Only my socks too on camera. There we go. It's kind of being held by my desk, as you can see. And I hope that's enough light on it. And yeah. Am I doing this right, chat? I don't know. But I'm gonna wait like 10 minutes probably. I don't know the exact like wait time, but I know like it can range from like a few seconds, like 40 seconds to like 10 minutes. So just to be safe, I'm gonna just do it for like 10 minutes and see what it's looking like. Alright guys, it's been 10 minutes and I turned off the light. I'm hoping I didn't overexpose it. I didn't even know that was a thing until I asked ChatGPT just now, and I turned that light off real quick because I was trying to stay on the safe side, but I'm I'm pretty sure I probably should have only done like 5 minutes, not gonna lie. I did 10 minutes. Brother, why is the stencil not on the freaking paper? Wait, like, I'm actually confused though. Oh wait, I gotta rinse it, huh? Oh, I'm slow, bruh. Right?
Bruh.
Guys, do I have to rinse it? Wait, let me ask ChatGPT real quick. I'm slow. It's not supposed to show up until you rinse it out. Silly old me. So let me actually take it off still. Bro, I knew, but like, I had to make sure I wasn't tripping, you know? Alright, y'all, I'm nervous. If this doesn't come out, I'm gonna be heartbroken. Alright, second one. Alright, so, I tried to wash them out. They're both definitely, overexposed. This was the stars, and like, this one's like, not. I don't think this will work, but like, you can kinda see him, but not really. All I can freaking see is this big ass, freaking uneven spot of emoji. Me personally, that's all I can see on this one.
They say there are 5 stages of grief. Denial.
I think I need a. I don't think that it's gonna work. And it's either I need to try to rinse it out more, or it's like overexposed and it actually can't even rinse out anymore. And I quote, it said, before I give up, try to soak it for 5 to 10 minutes and then like lightly scrub it to like loosen the emulsion and stuff like that. So that I shall do. So it's been soaking for like 5 minutes, so I'm gonna take it out and try to scrub it again, and if it don't work, then we'll have to come back to this project another day, because to be quite frank, I'm getting over it.
Anger.
If I'm being completely transparent with y'all, I am quite over this process.
It's alright.
I was washing it out. I soaked it. I was washing it out. Got drenched in the process because that's just how dedicated I am to my craft, you know. And this is the best that this is going to get. Not gonna lie. As you can see, like the W, like I'm pretty sure all of it's supposed to be like that, but it's not. So I don't think it'll come through. I don't think the paint will come through. So yeah, it definitely overexposed the screen. And then the stars. This is what the stars look like.
Bargaining.
Guys, I have an idea. So I do have some. I did get the emulsion remover, right? So I'm thinking maybe if I spray a little bit on a shirt, or yeah, on this shirt and like scrub out the outline a little bit, little by little, we might be able to get some more of the emulsion off. Alright, guys, come on now. Oh, come on now. Like, that is a big difference. Now I actually have faith that the ink can actually go through. Pour some in the cap and mix it like that. Ooh, she's a poet. Okay. That's what we've got going right now. Oh, this is bad. Okay. Across. Oopsies. See. Down. Oh! Bro.
Depression.
Time to take it off. Bro, I'm so freaking. Oh my god. Guys, this was an epic fail. Like, no, when I say an epic fail, like, hope you guys enjoyed watching me waste 3 hours of my freaking time. Bro, like, come on, dude. Come on, dude. This is the new paint shirt, so I'm gonna just, like, wipe my hands off on it. Nah, this mug is dookie.
And acceptance.
Definitely gotta try again. I mean, I feel like the only thing that went wrong was the overexposure. I mean, yeah, that's like a big part though. Am I right? Am I right? See you guys whenever I feel like it. See you guys whenever I feel like it.
Well, I'd like to add one more.